Sorry, I put these too close to each other. This is a separate problem, okay, over here in the box. But 517, we got x plus negative 5, 6. We got to figure out what this equals when x is 1/3. So let's color code this baby. All right, so I'm going to plug in 1/3. Here's the original expression. I'm going to plug in 1/3 in for x. And now we just have a normal fraction arithmetic problem. We got to get common denominators, so just multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by 2. And now 2, 6 plus negative 5, 6, 2 plus negative 5 makes negative 3 because you have $2 and you're adding $5 of debt. You're in the hole $3. And then simplify by dividing the top and the bottom by 3. And then here, if you plug in negative 1, 6 for x, they already have common denominators, right? So you can put that negative sign right up top. That helps. Negative 1 plus negative 5, you're going further back in debt. You're at negative 6, which simplifies to be negative 1. Okay, so that's it for 517. For this one, I don't know what number this is in the book, but we just have to plug in negative 2/3 in for x and negative 1/2 in for y. So there's negative 2/3 in for x. Negative 1/2 goes in for y. So if you square something, that means it's multiplying by itself. So negative 2/3 times negative 2/3. That makes 4/9. And now negative 1/2 to the third power. That one's kind of tough to do without using some properties of exponents. If something to the third power means you multiply it by itself 3 times. So that's negative 1/2 to the third power. Okay. So multiplying these first two here, negative 1/2 times negative 1/2, that makes a positive 1/4. And now if you do positive 1/4 times negative 1/2, that makes negative 1/8. So this is negative 1/8. And so to keep simplifying here, let's change this into a fraction just to make things easier on the eyes. Let's multiply these first two. 2/1 times 4/9. Just multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. And then again, if you want to multiply straight across the top, 8 times negative 1 makes negative 8. 9 times 8 makes 72. And then we can simplify because I think the top and the bottom are both divisible by 8. And they are. Negative 8 divided by 8 makes negative 1. 72 divided by 8 makes 9. There we go.